2 pointers. It's one of those tricks that shows up in interview questions constantly, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Start with a sorted array and a target. We want 2 numbers in here that add up to 22. The way most people write this first is with 2 nested loops. Take one number, compare it against every other number, and repeat. One with 4, one with 6, one with 9, and so on. It works, but it took 13 comparisons to find the answer in an array of 6. Double the array and the work roughly quadruples. The thing is, that approach never used the one fact we were handed for free. The array is sorted. Small numbers on the left, big numbers on the right. So instead of scanning pairs, put a pointer at each end. 1 plus 20 is 21, just under our target. We need a bigger sum, and the only way to get one is to move the left pointer right into larger numbers. Now 4 plus 20 is 24, which overshoots, so we pull the right pointer left into smaller numbers. 4 and 13 is 17, still short, move left in. 6 and 13, 19, still short. Move in again. 9 and 13, 22. 5 comparisons instead of 13. And notice what really happened. Every time we moved a pointer, we ruled out an entire group of pairs without ever checking them. That's the difference between quadratic time and linear time. The same idea solves a problem that looks nothing like it. Here's a linked list, and its tail points back into the middle. If you just follow the arrows, you loop forever without ever realizing it. So use 2 pointers again, but this time move them at different speeds. Slow walks 1 node at a time, fast walks 2. Slow gets to 3 while fast is already at 5. Slow moves to 4, fast wraps around to 3. Slow to 5, and fast arrives at 5 as well. They're on the same node, which can only happen if the path bends back on itself. It's easier to see as 2 runners on a track. The fast one gains a step on the slow one every move, so on a loop it eventually laps them. If the track has an end instead, fast simply reaches it, and we know there's no cycle. Written out, both are about 10 lines. 2 pointers starting at opposite ends and squeezing inward, or 2 pointers starting together and moving at different speeds. Different problems, same instinct. Whenever you're given a sorted array or something that might loop, 2 pointers is the first thing worth trying. 2 pointers, 1 array, 2 walkers, half the work.